In this video, I hope to help walk you through the installation of the new PcMars 3.0 program. Before beginning the installation, as a reminder, PcMars 3.0 has been developed for a 64-bit Windows 10 operating system. Please close any prior version of PcMars, and we also recommend backing up all of your data prior to installing this program. It is very important to turn off or pause any antivirus program you may have installed. I will show you in this video how to turn off Trend Micro Antivirus. If you have a different antivirus program and do not know how to turn it off, please look at the tips for temporarily turning off or pausing antivirus programs informational sheet located on our website at PcMars, or you can also Google how to temporarily turn it off. This is very important that you turn off or pause your antivirus program prior to installation. Here is what the tips for temporarily turning off or pausing the antivirus programs look like, so you can look for that on our website. In my example today, I am going to show you how to turn off Trend Micro. Almost all antivirus programs will be running in this same location, so you may be able to follow these instructions for your antivirus. If you go down here to the lower right-hand corner, where my cursor is, you will see an up arrow that when you hover over it says Show Hidden Icons. If you click on that arrow, you will see your antivirus show up here. Mine is the red circle here. I'm going to right-click, and then I'm going to choose to exit. That will pause my antivirus just for the installation. To start the installation, we are going to open up Google or another browser. And we're going to go to PcMars.com. We're going to click on Free Software Download. And then we're going to go down here to the Download PcMars 3.0 New Installation. You can click anywhere in this box, the New Installation box, to begin the download. Everyone, even past users, will need to download this new installation. I clicked in the box, and as you can see, it's downloading in the corner of my computer here. Depending upon your browser, you should see a box in the lower left-hand corner using Chrome, like mine, that shows the download progress. You may see the download progress in the center of the screen when using Edge or Explorer, and in the upper right-hand corner if you are using Firefox as your browser. Once it is fully downloaded, go ahead and click on it to start the installation. If you have the option to save the download, I recommend you do save that to your downloads. Once you click on the download file, the installation should start automatically. If the installation does not start automatically, you will need to go to that file in your downloads and start the installation. I will step you through now some of the screenshots you may see during the installation. Just a reminder that everyone's computer will be a little different, but I will walk you through most of the installation screens. So I'm going to click on Set Up PcMars. So the first screen here is Welcome to PcMars installation. We're going to hit Next. And then we're going to follow the prompt here. It's wanting to install PcMars in the PCM-WinF destination folder, and I would just hit Next and follow that prompt. I would hit Next. The installation is now going to uninstall any prior version you had of PcMars installed on your computer. I would leave this on automatic and just hit Next and perform an uninstall by clicking Finish. This will not affect your data. Next is the Prerequisite Setup Wizard for SQL. We're going to click on Next. And please leave this screen however it prompts you. It selects which needs to be installed. So I'm just going to hit, again, just don't unclick or click in any of these boxes and just hit Next. And I'm going to hit Next. We have to accept the terms and hit Next and install. This may take a few minutes, so please let it run and do not cancel. It could take several minutes, just like it says here. If you happen to get a screen that asks you to retry, ignore, or exit, I would suggest you choose Ignore. And then we're going to hit Finish. And Next. And we need to accept the terms and hit Next. Again, leave this how it shows you and just follow the prompts and hit Next and install. We're going to click on Finish and Next and install, and then Finish. The installation is now complete, and we're going to hit Finish. Now that the installation is finished, it is important that you restart your computer before opening PcMars. I am now going to restart my computer. Once your computer has been restarted, you will see a new round icon for PcMars. Go ahead and open up PcMars. It will say unregistered user until we fill out the registration information. And it's opening. And here's the registration information that you're going to want to fill out. You can choose to install the sample data or not. And if you have a prior serial number, you can say yes and click next page and then enter that prior serial number that you had. Hit OK. PcMars is now detecting that you have 2.5 and prior older data in the folder that the new program is installed in, and that the data needs to be converted to the new 3.0 format. Do you want to convert the data now? I would say yes. And your books here that you had in your older program should be listed. And you can select all up to 50, or you can just select a few. Once you have them selected, you can just hit this Convert. It will back them up into a separate folder. And then it goes through the conversion process. And you will see the status in the right-hand column here that says this one's conversion was okay. And the second one, the conversion was okay. So you can just close that screen and use your PcMars as normal. I hope this video has helped with the installation process, and thank you for being a PcMars user.